My name's Justin Saunders, and I help coaches online scale and use ads to take it to the next level. I must have spent over 6 figures trying to learn different client acquisition strategies that just never worked. And that led to a crazy burnout phase. I one day just put up an ad and it just took off. These ads are not only the best type of ads, but they're the most simple ads to get quick results. You can have a conversation with someone and you can build rapport with them right up front, which results in a quicker sales process. An Instagram funnel is basically your resume on your Instagram. You want to have the entire thing optimized so that when someone lands on your profile, they know exactly what you do, and then they know the exact next step they need to take. When you use Manychat combined with Instagram direct messages, you can get back to prospects instantaneously, so it builds that rapport. All these other strategies like VSLs, webinars, they're all dying down because they don't have trust. I know exactly what it feels like to be stuck and feel stagnant and feel like nothing's ever going to work, and I want to shortcut that learning curve for other people. I love the type of clientele I work with. These clientele are people that I actually consider my friends that I go and travel the world with. These ads have changed my life and my business due to the fact that we have predictability, and it's just made me have a more peaceful life because I don't have to worry about money anymore.